ownership.
The honourable member for Cowichan, Malahat, Langford.
Last year, it was this Liberal Party that supported an NDP motion confirming Canada's solemn covenant with our veterans. But this Liberal government is betraying our veterans by breaking campaign promises on pensions, dragging injured veterans back into court, and shutting down vital long-term veterans' care facilities. The NDP, like Canadians, think veterans deserve our help through the service that they have done to our country. So why is this government continuing to shamefully fight our veterans in court? Why are they depriving veterans of the benefits that they deserve?
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary.
Madam Speaker, I'd like to thank the honourable member for his concern for veterans. This government made a significant commitment to veterans, and that commitment will be fulfilled. We have heard loud and clear from veterans that caring for veterans, including their families, whose service has left them ill or injured, should be our first priority. Madam Speaker, we know that rebuilding relationships, rebuilding supports and service takes effort and commitment, and will continue to invest the need.
The honourable member for Edmonton Manning.
Madam Speaker,